With Salesforce, it's easy to implement innovation for your business. Setup and configuration in the cloud are simple, but managing change and transition from legacy applications is a serious challenge. Implementation projects often come with distributed teams, paper, and Excel-based methodology, lack of documentation, and tedious reporting. It generates a lot of manual work and sources for human error. These cost you a lot of time and money. The first step in any proper transition is a detailed assessment, understanding sources, requirements, and migration scope. Information from the assessment and a clever design enable a rapid implementation. Following is one of the most underestimated and hardest things to get right: clean data migration. To stay on top of your transition, teams need proper management of change in progress, especially in bigger teams. A central live overview and comprehensible reports are indispensable for efficient coordination. Conemis Transition Cloud is dedicated to covering all of these steps in a seamless digitalized process. Application assessment, migration automation, and project performance enable a healthy and fast transition to Salesforce. Do you want to learn more? Visit our website, conemis.com, or contact us directly.